Assalamualaikum. First of all, let we introduce ourselves. First, my name is FATIN NABILAH binti Muhammad HISSAN, and she is my partner.
Hi, I'm Nadira Aqilah binti RASIDI.
Today, if you want to know, we are at
Castella Cafe.
Okay, we are choosing about nature because I think at Perak or specific to Greece that has a lot of nature places such as Castella Cafe, Belum, and also other places like Tekijang, Gunung Lang, and others. But we are choosing Castella Cafe because they are very nearby me. So these places we are choosing.
At Castella Cafe, you can doing some activity such as kayak, and you can also swim at the river.
Stop.
Kita pergi main tu. Tak basah baju lah. Sudah. Weh, sejuk weh. Basah punggung tu lah.
Hi, now I am my friend in Castella Cafe, and you can see beautiful scenery at here.
Okay, you can see in front of us, you can see a traditional menu that
Castella Cafe.
See, this is a traditional food that Castella Cafe serve of us, such as ayam bakar, ikan bekasar, puja baku, ulam jantung, and also has a fish they get fresh from river. And if you can see, this is rice that this cafe wrapped by banana leaf. So I want to show you. Here you can see this. Yes, like that. Okay, let's go. We eat.
Try this menu, you must come here and try your own. Of course, this is delicious for you.
Okay, and then you also can choose another set. Set A, set B, set C, and we choose set C.
Want to try this food, most traditional food like pulau. This food must we eat with this.
so good. And I also eat rice and ikan perkasa. You can see. Delicious. You must try. Video latar je.
Hello, now we meet again, and today we want to talk about Royal Belum Rainforest Resort. The Royal Belum Rainforest Resort is state park located in northernmost corner of Perak, and Belum Temenggor believe to have been in existence for over 130 million years, making it one of the world's oldest rainforests in Malaysia.
Okay. The Belum Rainforest Resort is the one of Malaysian premier eco-tourist holiday destination, which is it is complete relaxing and stunning view that it can change to get close to the nature.
Now I want to talk about Rafflesia. For specimen of blooming Rafflesia flowers, this flower endemic of rainforest of Malaysia is one of the target ever and can be seen in Belum and few other places only. The life cycle of plant does not allow us to predict if the flowers are blooming to be getting into the rainforest and stopping by the waterfalls in both the trekking by its own.
Also, the state park, you can also do wonderful stories, which is mainly boat cruise, and you can also to spot wildlife such as elephant, deer, bird, insect, and many tropical tree and plants. There are also quite few management animal species like tiger Malaysia and Sumatra rhinoceros and tapir.
Next, I want to talk about Air Terjun Waterfall. This is very interesting because the places is very beautiful scenery if you go there. It is very located along Sungai Road. You will reach the area by boat first and then a short trek later. Once arrived at the waterfall, you can have a swim there and take your picnic before returning to Pulau Banding, where your trip will finally end.
Also, when you at Rainforest Resort, you must list your checklist trip to Royal Belum State Park, which is you must bring your tripod for your camera to make picture in a low light condition, and you also must bring comfortable walking shoes. And for a person that like to fishing, you must bring fishing rod that you can go to fishing.
The most scenic views begin right after a storm. Using the Smart Shots feature unique to the solo drone, in particular the cable cam, I was able to capture epic views of the forest. Beneath the clouds, only the ancient trees know of the mysteries lurking under its canopy. Of the elusive Orang Asli Aborigines who have called the forest their home. Somewhere down there grow the Rafflesia, the world's largest flowers. Every other day, we dine on fresh fish from the bountiful green lake in the form of snakehead haruan and toman. When it's time to head back to the city, I'll miss the cool fresh air and clear starlit